प्रदीपज्वालाभिः दिवसकर नीराजन विधिः सुधासूतेः चन्द्रोपलजललवैरर्घ्यरचना स्वकीयैरम्भोभिः सलिलनिधि सौहित्यकरणम् त्वदीयाभिः वाग्भिः तव जननी वाचा स्तुतिर्यम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। वंदे संस्कृत मातरम। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। शुभ सायं। शंकर भगवत्पादानां सौंदर्य लहरी इति स्तोत्रगुच्छस्य अन्तिमं पद्यमिदं, यत्र शंकर भगवत्पादानाम् आत्मनिवेदनं तथैव तेषां नम्रता द्योतयति। तादृशानां महाज्ञानिनामेव तादृशी मतिः, तर्हि मादृशानां का गतिः? अतः अद्य प्रथम 15 निमेषेषु एतावत् पर्यन्तं किं किं प्रवृत्तम् इति तत्र सिंहावलोकनं कुर्मः। प्रथमदिने अहम् उक्तवती व्योमयानस्य अहं गगनसखी इति। पुनः तत् स्मारयितुम् इच्छामि। 5 मासात्मकं यात्रा, व्योमयात्रा एषा। यात्रायां तत्रापि अंतरिक्षयाने यदा प्रयाणं कुर्मः तदा अंशद्वयम् अतीव प्रमुखं भवति, टेक ऑफ तथा लैंडिंग। टेक ऑफ तु तदानीमेव अभवत्, अद्य लैंडिंग भवति। उभयोः भगवदनुग्रहः गुरुकृपा च अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकी। अतः प्रथमं भगवच्चरणारविन्दयोः प्रणमामि, तथैव मम सर्वेभ्यः गुरुभ्यः मम हार्दं धन्यवादाः। अनन्तरं प्रयाणार्थं यानम् आवश्यकं। यानं विना प्रयाणं कुतः? अतः व्योम संस्था द्वारा मालविकाग्निमित्रम् इति वेबिनार् एव अस्माकं यानं। गम्यमानं स्थलं मालविकाग्निमित्रं। प्रथमदिने उक्तवती नायकः कैप्टन कः अस्य यानस्य? महाकविः कविकुलगुरुः कालिदासः। अत्र यान अवधिः समयावधिः भवति खलु, एतावन्तः घण्टाः, एतावन्त्यः घण्टाः इति। तथा अत्र 50 अवधयः इति पूर्वं चिन्तितवन्तः, किन्तु तत् 10 रफ्लि इति, अतः तत्पूर्वमेव सम्पन्नम्। अनन्तरम् अत्र निर्विघ्नता यशस्विता द्वावपि अत्यन्त आवश्यकी, यथा उक्तवती। अत्र प्रप्रथमं तृतीयवारम् एतादृशं महाकवेः नाटकम् अत्र वेबिनार् द्वारा कर्तुं सुवर्णावकाशं कल्पितवद्यः व्योमगणः, व्योमबान्धवाः मम सर्वेभ्यः मम हार्दं प्रणामाः, अभिनन्दनानि च। अनन्तरम् अस्माभिः यात्राकाले बहूनि क्षेत्राणि सन्दर्शितानि। विदिशा नगरं गतं, तत्र प्रथमं राजप्रासादः, उद्यानवनं, तत्र नाट्यस्पर्धा, तस्य नाट्यस्पर्धापि अस्माभिः दृष्टा। अनन्तरं प्रमदवनं, समुद्रगृहम्, एवमेव विभिन्नस्थलाः। अन्ते मालविकायाः विवाहः अपि सर्वैः अस्माभिः वयं साक्षीभूताः तस्य महोत्सवस्य। बहु विषयान् वयम् अधीतवन्तः। तत्र प्रथमम् एकं सुभाषितम् अस्ति, इतरकर्मफलानि इतरकर्मफलानि यदृच्छया विलिखितानि सहे चतुरानन, अरसिकेषु कवित्वनिवेदनं शिरसि मालिख 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 इति एकः कविः वदति। यानं सिद्धमस्ति, गगनसखी अहम् अस्मि, नायकः अस्ति, सर्वम् अस्ति, किन्तु यात्रिकाः एव न सन्ति चेत् यानं कुत्र गच्छति, किं वा करोति? अतः भवन्तः एव तत्र अत्यन्तं प्रधान पात्राणि भवन्तः। अनन्तरं केवलम् आगतवन्तः वा न, तत्र भवतां सहृदयता अस्ति, रासिक्यम् अस्ति, सहृदयाः रसिकाश्च। अतः सर्वेभ्यः मम हृत्पूर्वकवन्दनानि। यतः अहं बहवः अत्र अन्तिमदशनिमेषेषु वार्तालापं न कृतवन्तः, तथापि बहवः ईमेल् द्वारा स्वेषाम् अभिप्रायं प्रेषितवन्तः। तद् ज्ञात्वा अहं चिन्तयामि, भवन्तः मदपेक्षया अत्यन्तं इङ्गितज्ञाः, अनन्तरं अति सूक्ष्मग्राहिणः। अतः भवन्ना यात्रायाः भवन्तः एव यशस्वितायै कारणीभूताः। पुनः पुनः स्वेभ्यः नमांसि। प्रथमं छन्दो विषये महोदयः तद्दिने एकं पृष्टवान् आसीत्। प्रायः अनन्तरम् अहं चिन्तितवती, पाठनसमये एव पद्यानां सर्वेषां पद्यानां प्रायः छन्दो विभागः उक्तः। अनन्तरं यदि इच्छा अस्ति, सौम्या भगिन्याः छन्दशास्त्रम् अधिकृत्य एव पाठाः सन्ति, तद् एकवारं श्रोतुं वा अवलोकितुं वा शक्यते। अतः पुनः तद्विषये वक्तुं न इच्छामि। एकः एव, किमपि भवतु, एकः साहाय्यं विना किमपि कार्यसिद्धिं कर्तुं न शक्नोति। अहम् अत्र निर्विघ्नतया पाठयितुं बहवः कारणीभूताः। तत्र मम आर्यपुत्रः श्रीवासुकिः अपि तस्य गृहपरिसरे तथा भवेत्, नो चेत् अहं किं वा पाठयामि। अतः तस्मै अपि मम वन्दनानि। बहु अस्ति वक्तुं, किन्तु मम एतद् समयावकाशः, अनन्तरं यद् अतीव आवश्यकं तद् वदामि। अनन्तरम् असेस्मेण्ट् विषये वक्तुम् इच्छामि। तत्र वयम् एवं चिन्तितवन्तः, सामान्यतः 50 अङ्कानां भवति, तत्रापि मल्टिपल् चाय्स् भवति इति। अत्र एतत् महाकवेः नाटकम् इति धिया 40 अङ्कानां मल्टिपल् चाय्स्, 4 विकल्पाः भवन्ति। यु हाव् टु सेलेक्ट् one correct option, 40 questions with multiple choice. That is, multiple choice type will be 40 questions. अनन्तरं 10 अङ्कानां प्रायः प्रश्नद्वयं भवति, यत्र मालविकाग्निमित्रस्य प्रधान प्रसङ्गम् अथवा पात्रम् अधिकृत्य लेखनं भवति। सूक्ष्मम् एवमेव वदामि, पात्राणां विषये एकः प्रश्नः भवति, अनन्तरं प्रसङ्गविषये तद् यत्किमपि विदूषकस्य सर्पदंशन उपायः वा अथवा नाट्यस्पर्धा वा तथा किमपि प्रष्टुं शक्यते। मुख्याः घटनाः सन्ति खलु, तद् आधारीकृत्य तदुद्धृत्य भवन्ति। प्रायः अक्टोबर् मासे असेस्मेण्ट् भवति, बहु समयावकाशः अस्ति। अतः अद्य केवलं एतस्य पाठ्यभागः समाप्तः, अतः अध्ययनं न समाप्तम्। किञ्चित् किञ्चित् प्रतिदिनं 10 निमेषाः पुनः अवलोकयन्तु, किं किम् अस्ति, पात्राणां विषये लिखन्तु, भवतः अत्यन्तप्रियं पात्रं किम् इति एकं लघु टिप्पणीं लिखन्तु। एवमेव केवलं एतावत्पर्यन्तं केवलं चाक्षुषयज्ञस्य श्रवणसंस्कारः जातः। अतः इदानीं स्वयं पुनरेकवारम् अनुभूय पात्राणां विषये लिखन्तु। अनन्तरं किं किं घटनाः, प्रमुखघटनाः तद्विषये लिखन्ति चेत् इतोपि तस्य एकस्मिन् पुस्तके मालविकाग्निमित्रम् इति शीर्षिकां स्थापयित्वा तत्सर्वं लेखितुं शक्नुवन्ति। अनन्तरम् अन्यत् एकं बहु मुख्यं कारणं, प्रायः भ्रातरौ एतस्य अनुमोदनं कुरुतः वा न जाने। अहं तु वक्तुम् इच्छामि एव। अत्र यानम् आसीत्, यात्रा समाप्ता, सर्वम् अत्र चीटिका यूजुवली तत्र एलिजिबिलिटी किम् अत्र प्रवेष्टुं टेक् द कोर्स्, अनन्तरं सरलसंस्कृतसम्भाषण सामर्थ्यं, दिस् इस् द एलिजिबिलिटी। यथा इदानीं कोविड् टेस्ट् तत् कृत्वा कारयित्वा आगच्छन्तु इति भवति, तथा अत्र सर्वम् अस्ति। किन्तु चीटिकां कोऽपि न क्रीतवान्। पूर्वम् अस्माकं पूर्वजैः उक्तम् आसीत्, विद्यायाः, औषधस्य, अनन्तरम् आहारस्य विषये तत् धेन तत् क्रेतुं न शक्यते, न करणीयम् इति आसीत्। किन्तु कलियुगे एतेषां त्रयाणामेव धनसम्पादनमार्गः एतेषां त्रयाणामेव अस्ति। किन्तु संस्कृतसम्बद्धसंस्थाः, संस्कृतभारती वा भवतु अथवा व्योमसंस्था वा भवतु, निःशुल्कं तेषां सर्वं कार्यं प्रचलन्ति। किन्तु अस्माकं समाजस्य ऋणम् अस्ति। वयं कथम् एतेन ऋणेन परिहृताः भवामः? यथामति प्रीत्या दातव्यं, तत्र निर्बन्धः नास्ति। यतः तत्र तादृश उत्तमकार्याणि यदा क्रियन्ते, अस्माकं परतया तद् तनुमनधनसाहाय्यम् आवश्यकमेव। प्रोत्साहकरणम्, एकैकः 10 जनान् व्योमसंस्थायाः विषये वदन्तु, एवम् अस्ति, एतादृश वेबिनार् अस्ति, क्लासेस् सन्ति, यत्किमपि विषयः, बहु विषयाः सन्ति, तद्विषये एकैकः अपि तत् कर्तुं शक्यते। अनन्तरं यतः बहु कार्याणि तत्र प्रचलन्ति, धनं विना लोके किमपि तद् वास्तव चित्रणम्। अतः यथामति यथाशक्ति भवन्तः जानन्ति किम् मया किमपि वक्तव्यं नास्ति, तथापि एतदपि मम कर्तव्यम् इति अहं भावयामि। अतः यथामति तत्र गच्छन्तु, एकवारं व्योम कार्यालयं गत्वा पूर्वम् अनुमतिं प्राप्य तत्र कथं कार्यं प्रचलति, भवता किं कर्तुं शक्यते, धनमपि आवश्यकम्, अन्यविधैः किं कर्तुं शक्यते इत्यपि ज्ञायते चेत् अतीव तेषाम् उद्देशः अपि सफलः भवति। इतोपि उत्तमकार्याणि कर्तुं तेषामपि प्रेरणा भवति। अन्यत् किं वक्तव्यं? प्रायः अनन्तरम् अत्र तु संस्कृतेन एव पाठनम्। अहमेव जानामि, बहु प्रतिदिनम् अहं किं करोमि स्म, पाठनानन्तरम् अहमेव किञ्चित् कालं मम एव पाठं शृणोमि स्म। तदा कदाचित् खेदः भवति स्म, यतः कदाचित् ज्ञात्वा अथवा अनवधानेन दोषान् कृतवती। कदाचित् लिङ्गविषये उक्तवती, पद्योऽयम् इति उक्तवती, पद्यम् इदम् इति कथन समये एवम् एतादृश दोषाः सम्भवन्ति। यतः यद्यपि वयं संस्कृतभारत्याः महत् योगदानम् अस्ति। यदि अहं सरलसंस्कृतम् इदानीं वदामि इत्युक्ते प्रथमं मातृसंस्था संस्कृतभारती एव। अक्षरद्वारा एव लक्षाधिकाः सरलसंस्कृतसम्भाषणं कर्तुं समर्थाः सन्ति। अनन्तरं पुनः व्योमसंस्था, एतेषाम् अन्यदेकं विशिष्टकार्यम् इत्युक्ते टेक्नालजि उपयुज्य कार्यं कुर्वन्ति बहूनाम् एतेन प्रयोजनं भवति। अतः कथनसमये मया दोषाः कृताः तत् पुनः तदा यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यत् भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व जगदीश्वरी इति उक्त्वा विरमामि। धन्यवादाः। इदानीं लक्ष्मणः अग्रे स्वीकरोति। कोऽपि पृष्टवान् अस्ति महोदय, एकक्षणम्। From foreign country, it is not possible to send donations. There is no provision online. If anyone can guide, that will be great. इति कोऽपि पृष्टवान् अस्ति। कृपया तद्विषये लक्ष्मणः वदेत्। धन्यवादाः।
राम 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 एकं निमिषम्। राम राम स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य तावत् वयं जानीमः मालविकाग्निमित्रस्य समाप्तिः इति वक्तुं न शक्यते।
महोदय, ध्वनिः सम्यक् न श्रूयते।
सम्यक् न श्रूयते वा?
न,
इदानीमपि न श्रूयते वा?
इदानीं श्रूयते।
आं वा? तथा तत्र अस्माकं मालविकाग्निमित्रस्य कोर्स् स्टाटस् इति अस्ति। So who all attended or how many people attended the course till date from the day it started? That is what will be told now. We had 500 plus registrations in the sanskritfromhome.in website, and in the Zoom we had more than 300 people who had registered. Over a period of time, we had an average of about 40 people who were attending the webinar. So, किंचित् क्षीणा एव अस्ति, परं it is great that all of you have joined this class and had benefits. It is very, very great that 40 people have attended and you have benefited from this class. Thanks to Asmakam Mahodaya, Shobha ma'am, and Kalidasa, who has brought us together and made this happen. So now, अस्माकं मुख्य अतिथि महोदयाः अत्र सन्ति। तेषां विषये किञ्चित् वक्तुम् इच्छामि। मणिना वलयः वलयेन मणिः, मणिना वलयेन विभाति करः, कविना च विभुः, विभुना च कविः, विभुना कविना च विभाति सभा इति एकः महान् वदति। तद्वत् एव अत्र अस्माकं मध्ये श्रीमती विशालाक्षी शंकरन् महोदया अस्ति। क्षम्यताम्, एकम्। अहम् आङ्ग्लभाषायां किञ्चित् तेषां विषये वदामि। श्रीमती विशालाक्षी शंकरन् is a gold medalist in MA Sanskrit from Madras University, having learned initially from Srimati Malathi Balasubramaniam and later under veteran scholars like Dr. N. Janathan and V. Abhirama Subramaniam. She has 25 plus years of experience in teaching Sanskrit with deep passion for Sanskrit literature and Sahitya. Ma'am is based in US. She trains students for all levels of Chittaur exams and other such Shastri and Acharya exams of Mukta Swadhyaya Peetha and National Sanskrit University, Tirupati. This is just a very small introduction about ma'am. As we all know, ma'am is a gold medalist in MA Sanskrit Alankara Shastra. It is not enough if we write a book on her or tell pages together about ma'am. So this was just a very small introduction. Now I request ma'am to please speak. Please give us her words and make us fulfill. I will request you to unmute. Ram Ram.
Hello.
Your video is not seen.
But I don't have the video, this thing.
Just a second.
Namaste. I don't have the permission
Just a
for
second.
video here. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please make me host? I think I am the host.
claim பண்ணாதான் நீ பண்ணு.
Ma'am, you are a panelist, so I'm not able to. Now I think you will be able to on it.
Okay. Unmute. Namaste. Namaskara. Okay. Shruyate Kalu. Is it audible? Yeah. Okay. गीते हृद्य लयान्विते श्रुतिमधुन्यासक्तचेताः सदा पद्ये वीतनरस्तुति प्रकटित श्रीभक्तिभाग्ये तथा वृत्ति स्यात् सुखसान्द्रपूरितघने मार्गे ममेत्यादरात् वाणी वाद्यकलातिशायि वचनं वन्दे जगन्मङ्गलम् ये शास्त्रसारोक्षितबिन्दुलेशैः मामप्यवर्षन् करुणाकटाक्षैः साधून् गुरून् शिष्यहितप्रवृत्तान् तान् सर्वमान्यान् शिरसा नतास्मि। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। इतः पूर्वं यत् सर्वं मद्विषये उक्तं तत्सर्वम् अतिशयोक्तिः एव। इदानीमपि I consider myself as a student of Sanskrit. It is because of personal efforts of some students like Shri Prakash Mahodaya or Shri Venkat ji and Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala that I've some small section of people know me. Tadartham mama kritagnatam nivedayitum ichchami. Kincha Srimad Bhagavata Vachananusaram Guror Anugrahenaiva Puman Purnaha Prashantaye iti Vachananusaram etavat paryantam yat sarvam maya anushthitam tat sarvam asmad gurunam kripa Lalitambikayaha anugrahascha ityeva vaktavyam uchitam tat. Adya Malavikagnimitra Vargasya Samaropa Samahartham Mukhyatiti Rupena Mama Agamanamapi Teshameva Kripa Mama Bhagyam iti va vaktum shakyate. One thing that struck me very when I was listening to the videos, atyadbhutataya Shobha Mahodayaihi etat natakam avagamayat. Like she tried to make the students, she handheld them patiently and took them along. That immediately caught my eye. That in Kadambari Bhanabhatta says that Kaushala Santo Guna Santoshaha eva mam evam mukhari karoti iti vakti Shukanasaha tadvate tat Kaushala Santoshaha mam evam mukhari karoti ityeva vaktum uchitam atra. Another thing that also caught me is the way she smiles very beautifully. She always has mandasmitam asti tasyaha mukhe smita purva bhibashi iti vat Valmiki maharshi vachanat. That is also asmakam Shobha Mahodaya vishaye ati auchitya purvam ityeva vaktavyam. And there are many things that has that struck me in her class, which were very nice. Yataha varge tu sarve bhavantaha yatkimapi manasi nidhayaiva agatasyuhu keshanchana manasi samskrita sambhashanam kartavyam lekhana kaushalam itopi adhikam bhavet athava kechittu kalidasa pranayinaha bhaveyuhu tasya granthameva pathaniyam anyasya kasyapi kavehe na pathaniyam kalidasaha eva mahakavihi iti prayaha manasi bhavet anye cha Chittur Parikshaye asti tadartham avashyakam iti kritva agataha prayaha apare ityukte Kavya Prakashe vadanti na pare iti apare asma vayameva tatra vyoma pathashalayam yah kopi vargaha asti chet tatra subscribe krutva sadvishaye kalakshepam kartavyam ityapi chintayanti kechana te api atra santi eva सर्वेषामपि तेषाम् अत्र प्रायः सर्वं सम्पूर्णतया प्राप्ताः एव इति चिन्तयामि. Because everybody has got what they wanted. Parikshartham api asti. And then if you are a Kalidasa fan, I should say, if you are a fan also, there are a lot of things that you can understand from just this one natakam. Critics say that it is his first natakam, tadrisha paripakvata nasti ityapi keshanchana manasi varteta. Parantu I don't think that is right, because the way Kalidasam adhikritya yavat vadami tat sarvam aparyaptameva iti bhasate. Abaho kalat bahubihi bahuprakaraihi महाकवि तत्काव्यानां विषये च विवरणं कृतम् इतोपि बहुकालपर्यन्तं कुर्वन्ति अपि करिष्यन्ति, but we still cannot exhaust because the depth of his work is such. तस्यैव शब्दैरेव वर्णनम् उचितं प्रांशुलभ्ये फलेलोभात् उद्दाह वयं सर्वे उद्दाहवः वामनाः इव एव स्मः उडुपे नास्ति सागरं तितीर्षुः दुस्तरं मोहात् उडुपे नास्ति सागरं. It's like crossing an ocean with a small boat. You're trying to cross a big ocean. That is how Kalidasa is. That is how our Samskrita Sahityam is. The literature also, Dayanand Saraswati would say, Sanskrit is vast and deep. He would use both words. Asyaha bhashayaha gabhiratam vishalatam cha ekakshanam chintayantu pratyekasmin shastre bahavaha granthaha santi. Bahavaha granthaha santi. Tesham granthanam ekaikasya granthasyapi alochane gabhiratam jnatum shaknumaha. Samudra iva Vishala, Gambhira, Chayam Bhasha. The depth of analysis in each branch and the number of works that have been written over centuries is just simply mind-boggling. You know, Kavyam Svikurvantu, I can't count the number of kavis there are. And if each kavi you take, like Kalidasa, for example, he has written 3 natakam. There may be different natakams, but every literature as such has natakam. You have gadyam, padyam, champuhu, stuti kavyam, stotra kavyam, itihasa. Don't think of itihasa as something separate from kavyam. Itihasa api, you know, the one upama that I would always tell my students, Akasha iva nirmalaha iti bharata vishaye Valmikina uktam. Akasha iva nirmalaha ityatra kshanam chintayamas. It is something that just strikes your mind. Akashe kadapi malaha bhavitum na shaknoti khalu. Tadrishaha, you have to trust, so much of trust Rama has in Bharata that he says Akasha iva nirmalaha. The prasaktireva nasti. Malasya prasaktireva nasti iti karanat. This is there in Ramayanam, which we categorize as itihasa. No, it is also a kavyam. If we take the Vyakhyanam of Dharmakutam, he devotes a section to discuss only the Sahitya Shastra aspects of it. Dharmakutam iti kinchana Vyakhyanam asti Ramayanasya tatra dharma vishaye pracharaha santi iti prayaha manasi vidyate. Yataha nama shrunumah chet dharmakutam iti. Akutam ityukte outsukyam. A curiosity on dharma. But that is not the case, you know, if you think about it. So every kavyam has shastram. There are so many dharmas in it. There are also Sahitya Shastras in it. There is one section about gems. What are all the different types of gems that are there? Then there is one section on botany. Atrapi Shobha Mahadehi Tritiyanke Prayaha Uktam Khalu. Botany athava, you know, I think you spoke about that.
Dohada
samaye, Ashoka Dohada samaye, tatra uktam bhavatya. That there are so many nuggets in Kalidasa that way. No, there is no wonder he is hailed as the greatest playwright, and Samskriti, he is like a ideal for our Samskriti. Not just, you don't look at it only from the point of a play. If you look at it from the point of play, the stageability is just superior. If you look at Veni Samharam or Uttanamacharitam, even though Bhavabhuti is my most favorite poet, and I simply love his Uttanamacharitam, but still there is a stageability issue as far as other poets are concerned. You'll have to remodulate certain things to suit the stage. Whereas Kalidasa's is just perfect for staging. That is why people call him as the greatest playwright. Rangamanche Pradarsanaya Bahuni Uchitani विषयानि बहवः उचिताः विषयाः सन्ति अन्य नाटकानां तु क्लेशः भवेत् तत्र त्रीण्यपि नाटकानि कालिदासस्य प्रदर्शन उचितानि एव इति वक्तुं शक्यते if you look at sahitya granthas like Kavya Prakasha or Dhanyaloka, maybe even Dasharupakam, there is one section devoted for dosha. Not critics are supposed to not only talk about the greatness of everything. You have to talk about the doshas also. Doshanam vivarana sthale अन्य नाटकेषु उदाहरणम् अन्य नाटकेभ्यः उदाहरणानि दीयन्ते परन्तु कालिदास नाटकेषु न दीयन्ते नाटकेभ्यः they may probably pick out one shloka from Kalidasa's Kumara Sambhavam, Kalacha sa Kantimati Kalavati, the Anvaya is not okay there. They might take one or two shlokas. You write 500 shlokas. Eko hidosho gudasannipate nimajjati Indoho kiraneshu iva ankaha. Kalankaha yata guneshu nimajjati तस्य किरणेषु निमज्जति तद्वत् एकः दोषः अस्ति चेत् in Tamil we say pona pordu it's okay paravailla we say that's how we have to treat Kalidasa's works but his natakam nobody takes it as an example for dosha dosha suchanaya veni samharam uddhritya vadanti तत्र किमर्थं दुर्योधनस्य भानुमत्या सह शृङ्गारप्रसङ्गः वर्तते रस अनुभूतेः तत्र विच्छिन्नः भवति विच्छेदः भवति इत्यादिकं दोष सूचनार्थं तत्र उद्धृत्य वदन्ति परन्तु कालिदास नाटकेभ्यः किमपि स्थानं नास्ति तथा यत्र दोषयुक्तं वर्तते. It is one aspect that we should note. That is why he is hailed as the greatest playwright. And Anya Shastranam Vishayaha Atra Bahutra Vidyante Vyakaranam Va Bhavatu. If you take Raghuvamsham, he uses this thing Dhatosthana Ivadeshaha. Yada Vali, when Vali was dethroned and Sugriva was placed there by Rama. So he uses the word Dhatosthana iva adeshaha. If you don't know Vyakaranam, you will not be able to understand this line. Tari Shastra Adhyayanam avashyakam. Shastra Adhyayananantaram kavyasya anya drishtireva bhavet. We will look at it with different eyes. Oh, Dhatosthana ivadeshaha. Bhu, when we were all reading, our teacher would say, Aster bhuhu. Iti ekasya sutrasya iva ullekhanam kritam. Asmakam acharyehi. Parantu tadanantaram Vyakarana Shastra Pathananantaram, oh, there are three more like that. Bruvaha Vachi, then Chakshing. There are so many other sutras also where Dhatoho Sthane Anya Dhatoho Praveshaha Bhavete iti. This is just one small example that I am showing. Jyotisha Vishaye, if you take in Raghuvamshe Dwadasha Sarge, he will talk about twin nakshatras there. In Rama and Lakshmana are like twin nakshatras, and Avagraha eva. These are all things that, without knowing the Shastram, reading the Kavyam is a waste. Reading the Kavyam without the Shastra background is a waste. The Tasmat Karana Kavya Shastra Sambandha iti Mahodayanam Kannada Bhashanam Asti. Soti Nagaraja Sharma Mahodayanam Kalu Tat Avashyam Shrunvantu Nischayana Shrunvantu. I just gave you your next step. Yataha Vargaha Samaptaha iti Prayaha Sarvesham Manasi Bhavet Kachana Kashana Kinchana Dukham Bhavet. You what to do next? Can I, go further? Anyat kavyam pathaniyam va athava kavyasya bahuni bahava vishayaha santi, technical aspects are there, tadartham sahitya grantham pathaniyam, all these things will be there. Prathamam Kavya Shastra Sambandha iti, please all of you should go and listen to those lectures, even though if it is in Kannada Bhasha. I don't know Kannada. I listen to his regularly. because it is even prayashah tatra samskrita padani santi. Bahuni samskrita padani santi. Contextually you can understand what he is trying to say also. The greatness of his lectures are like that. You know, that's why I said this is the next step that I'm giving. Kavya Shastra Sambandha yadi vayam pashyamaha tarhi kavyasya कीदृशः प्रभावः वर्तते इति वयं ज्ञातुं शक्नुमः. You have said so many things in your lecture that you have shown one bird's eye view of that. So now the next step should be that, is what I feel, you know. And ekaikasyapi kavyasya ekavaram yadi pathamaha, you should not think that it is enough. बहुवारं पठनीयं तर्हि नूतन विषयाः स्फुरन्ति. नवनव उन्मेषशालिनी प्रतिभा इतिवत् कवेः प्रतिभा एवम् अस्ति. कवेस्तु you know, there is one shloka that I just thought of. Kavehe hi hridayam noonam bharati vetti tatvatah. Kaver hridayam tu bharati saraswati eva vetti parantu saha kavyam likhati kalu. Teshu kavyeshu yani tattvani santi tani tattvani kaha vetti sahridayaha eva vetti. So kaverhi hridayam noonam bharati vetti tattvataha sahridaya hridaya samvedyam kavyam tat tattva sangraham. So it is sahridaya hridaya vedyam eva. Only you can understand, you can be in that frequency of that kavyam. So our goal should be to justify that text, to understand the text from the poet's viewpoint and try to enjoy that from that point of view. Not, you know, dosha drishtya eva drashtavyam itina. Like a magnifying glass, you should not keep on looking. No, there are during the 80s and 90s, there was one spate of PhD thesis which said Apaninian usages in Kalidasa, in Uttaramacharitam, athava in Ramayana. Evam tatra there were many granthas, PhD theses, which came about highlighting doshas. Kalidasa gunaha iti na paniniya prayogaha kalidasiya natakeshu katham vidyante iti, they don't look at it. You know, because in Dhanyaloka he says, Supting vachana sambandhaihi pratyekasyapi tatra rasa anubhutihi anubhutim kartum shaknumaha. From every word, sup, ting, vachanam, prakriti, pratyayam, each letter can even give us that bhava. Just one example, in Bharavi's Kiratarjuniyam, Kiratarjuniya, the stage itself is such that, you know, Duryodhana, they're all in Vanavasa, and Duryodhana is ruling the kingdom. Ati iva samyak drishtya saha paripalanam karoti vanecharaha vadati kinchit kalanantaram bhavataha nama api vismaranti janaha iti yudhishthirasya nama api vismaranti iti vadati saha. Tadanantaram tat shrutva Draupadyaha manasi ativa kopaha jayate. She's asking, why are you even having a bow in your hand? It's a waste. You should just let go of your sanjuhudiha pavakam. You have to take up sacrifice and munivrittihi anushtiyatam bhavata iti sa adhikshipati yudhishtiram. Tatra vakyamekam visheshanamekam dadati mrigadvijaluna shikheshu barhisham nishidatau. She talks of his feet. Yudhishthira, she says, you know, your feet are, before you used to keep your feet on a nice footstool with the beautiful krauma vastram and all that in a soft place. Now your feet are resting on those grasses which have been cut by Dvija and Mriga. You know, small animals have come and they've taken off the top, and other rest of those grass have been cut, those darbha grass have been cut by the Dvija, so it will be very sharp. The moment you keep itself, it will pierce you. So she uses the word, it's very pointed there. Mrigadvijaluna shikheshu barhisham. Tatra Mallinathasya vyakhyane saha vadati abhyarhitam purvam yasya maryada datavya bahumanam datavyam tat padam purvam bhavitavyam samase. Mriga iti kashchana man deer iti vadamaha. Dvijaha brahmanaha tarhi उभयोर मध्ये कस्य बहुमानं दातव्यं द्विजस्यैव खलु ब्राह्मणस्य तर्हि द्विजं मृगालून इति वक्तव्यं तत्र छन्दो विच्छित्तिः भवेत् इति कारणात् द्रौपद्या मृगद्विजालून इति उक्तं तत्र मल्लिनाथस्य व्याख्यानमेवम् अस्ति परन्तु मम आचार्यैः तत्र समाधानम् एवं कृतं. That's why I say, you have to justify the text. Think about the mind of the author and think about the person who is talking. He would say, see, the person who is talking is Draupadi here. She is upset that her husband's feet are on some sharp object. Would she be thinking about Panini here? Tasyaha manasi kopaha eva bhavete. पाणिनि प्रयोगः एवम् अस्ति अभ्यर्हितं पूर्वम् इति सूत्रं तत्र वर्तते तस्मात् कारणात् द्विजं मृगालून इति वक्तव्यं मृग इति पदं तत्र छन्दो एतत् सर्वं तस्याः मनसि न भवेदेव तस्मात् सः एवम् उक्तवती मृगद्विजालून शिखेषु बर्हिषाम् इति तत् सत्यमेव he says it is justified by the mind of the poet and the mind because the poet भारवेः तत्र द्रौपद्याः मनसि कीदृशी भावना वर्तते इति तन्मयत्वं तत्र जातं भारवेः तस्मात् कारणात् एवं लिखितं तथैव that's why कवेः भारती नूनं वेत्ति कवेः हृदयं सरस्वती एव वेत्ति अथवा गुरुः वेत्ति गुरोः सरस्वत्याश्च भेदः न विद्यते इति कारणात् उभौ अपि समानौ एव Guruhu Saraswati cha. That's why I always say it is only because of Guru Kripa that I am able to say even a few words here. And one small request to everyone, please pass on the knowledge that you receive. Yeah, whatever you study, if you teach even one person, it doesn't matter. Just call your husband or your wife and say, I want to teach this to you. It doesn't matter if they know Sanskritam or not. Just keep saying. It's okay. Vidya tu surakshita bhavet. Vidya manasi api, asmakam manasi api sthira bhavet. Sa. Etaha Malakagnimittre eva uktam khalu. Slishta kriya कस्यचित् आत्मसंस्था संक्रांतिरन्यस्य विशेषयुक्ता यस्यो भयं साधु सशिक्षकाणां धुरिप्रतिष्ठापयितव्य एव. Hello, and so you one is to have the vidya inside, the other is to sankrantihi anyasya. You have to pass it on to someone else. Then only vidya tu surakshita bhavet. Whatever I have said so far, I hope it will be a little bit utsukata jayate nipunika vadati. In Bahuli, when Bakulawalika advises Malavika, nipunika tatra parshvastha bhavati vadati sa nirvikarasyapi utsuka janakaha upadeshaha iti vadati khalo. So tathaiva maya uktani api vachanani outsukyam prayah janayatu iti prarthaye. नमस्काराः.
बहु धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादाः. अस्माकं ज्ञानराशि
लक्ष्मण महोदय न श्रूयते, सम्यक् न श्रूयते. का समस्या तत्र पश्यतु.
इदानीं श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते.
क्षम्यतां तत्र तान्त्रिकदोषः भवेत् मन्ये. इदानीं ये यः कोऽपि कक्षा विषये किमपि वक्तुम् इच्छन्ति वा इति पृच्छामि. Does anybody want to speak 2-3 lines? We would give chance to 2-3 people for you to speak. One of you, Arun Kulkar. Just a second. Please accept. Ram.
अन्म्यूट् कृत्वा वदतु महोदय.
अहमस्मि अरुण कुलकर्णी अटलाण्टा संवादं साधयामि. क्षम्यतां किञ्चित् असकृत् संस्कृतेन वदामि. मम भवती सम्यक् पाठयति. भूरि भूरि धन्यवादः. मम संस्कृतस्य पुनराभ्यासं किञ्चित् विस्मयकारकं जातं. मम पुत्रः अत्र विद्यावाचस्पति अभ्यासक्रमं कृतवान् आसीत् 2013 तमे आङ्ग्लसाहित्ये. तस्मिन् मध्ये क्लासिकल लैंग्वेजेस इति अभ्यासक्रमे सः संस्कृतं स्वीकृतवान् तस्य कैलिफोर्निया विद्यापीठे. तस्य पाठ्यपुस्तकान् दृष्ट्वा अहमपि संस्कृत अभ्यास कर्तुम् उद्युक्तः. तदा आरभ्य अनेके परीक्षा दत्तवान्. 3 वर्षात् पूर्वं कोविड परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णतां प्राप्तवान्. अधुना केचन विना लाभ संस्थायां किञ्चित् पाठयामि. अधुना 60 वर्षे अहं प्रायेण उपनिषदसारं तथा रामायणस्य पठनं कुर्वन् अस्मि. प्रति शनिवासरे भोगा महोदय अटलाण्टा शाखाया भोगा महोदय रामायणस्य वर्गं निर्वहति. तस्मिन् मध्ये अहं सक्रिय भागं वहन् अस्मि. पुनरेकवारं धन्यवादः.
राम राम राम. धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
Would anybody else want to speak?
Also, one more thing, I was able to send a donation through my NRE account in India. So somebody asked me how to send it from overseas. If anybody has
we shall be speaking about
this
that.
Account in India, NRE account, you can always send donation.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Malavika Iyer, I think you wanted to speak. Ram. Yes.
नमो नमः. हेलो.
नमस्ते मैम. श्रूयते
भगिनी.
नमो नमः. मम नाम मालविका. So my Sanskrit isn't so good, so I will be speaking in English only. In the beginning, I joined because I wanted to strengthen my Sanskrit. One, because I learned Carnatic music and there are a lot of compositions in Sanskrit. So I just wanted to ease up the struggle of going through compositions again and again for the sake of understanding. I just wanted to make that part easier. And also because it was lockdown, so I didn't have much to do. And I saw that in this class, there are a lot of experienced people who can speak Sanskrit really nicely. And so in the beginning, when the classes started, it was quite honestly a bit scary for me because the entire class was going Sanskrit and there were parts where I would zone out. I would not understand anything. Thanks that there have been videos available on YouTube. So after every class also that I would take efforts to sit with the YouTube video and jot down things again and again. I got the book. I properly went back to school days where I started jotting down, noting every word. And with time, I think I was able to follow the entire class, even if it was completely in Sanskrit. And like there are, when that started happening, there's that time when you start becoming one with the characters. So my personal favorite, I would say, was Vidushak, because his lines would have these indirect ways of mentioning things. And the best part was ma'am would give a context to everything. So even when I don't remember complete sentences, I would remember parts of it. For example, the Sidhu Pane Matsyandika, that one. Then the elephant not being scared of the crocodile, that particular instance. Then the instance where Vidushak says that, like the mention of Chora Shastram had been there. So before that, I never even knew there was a Chora Shastram. And I was excited. These are the things that I kept discussing at home. And this time things eased up a lot. And I had written to ma'am that I would...
It is called Steya Shastram.
Sorry, ma'am?
Steya Shastram. No.
Okay.
You're on mute.
So, yeah, it was not just one novel that we read. There were multiple contexts and there was a lot to learn. And I think, like the other man just said, that just don't stop it here. We should try to continue it. I think I will do something to keep this going on. And thank you very much, ma'am, for making this class very... I don't know, like there is this video I had seen where, it teaching by mediation. Like there's a psychological thing that if your teacher is a very good mediator, if they are able to give a lot of context, if they are able to explain things in a proper way, you can remember things well. So I think I remember entire story somewhat without having to go through it. It is a big deal. Being such a big story. So thank you, ma'am. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much. Rukmini ma'am, you would want to speak. Just in case of time. Yes. Rukmini ma'am. Rukmini ma'am, please accept. Ram Ram. Rukmini Raghunatha. Okay. Devika Ravi, I think.
Ram.
Ram. Yes. Please.
Ram. Namaskaraha. Mama nama Devika. I thoroughly sarmyak aham mahodaya patitavati. Kintu संस्कृतेन अधिकं वक्तुं न शक्यते इदानीं किञ्चित् क्लेशः अस्ति. Prayah, the first experience of Sanskrit was when Mahodaya taught the Subhashita Niti. Tatrapi mama Samskrita Jnanam kimapi nasti. Bhavati samyak sarala Samskritena sa patitavati. Tadrisham punaha shrutva eva kinchit Samskritena ahamapi vaktum shakyate iti manasi kinchit dridata agachati. Tadrisham eva Malavika Agnimitram कालिदासस्य विषये वा महोदयस्य सरल संस्कृतेन सा पाठितवती. तत् सम्यक् आसीत्. किञ्चित् अत्र कालिदास एव सरल संस्कृतं नास्ति, महोदया संस्कृतेन सरलेन पाठितवती. And Vyoma has made all the material सर्वं अत्र इंटरनेट मध्ये अस्ति. सो पुनः अहं तद् श्रुत्वा मम ज्ञानम् अभिवर्धयितुं अत्र अवसरः अस्ति. Then waiting to learn more, waiting for new courses from Vyoma, and ekeka course api samyak chintanam, the lot of background work goes to in what courses has to be given to people, what people will like, and all those things are there. Each and every course crafted by Vyoma Labs is very, very nice. I thank the entire Vyoma team, and I thank our Mahodaya profusely for taking her time off in a busy schedule and to make us learn this wonderful Kavya Malavika Agnimitram. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
धन्यवादाः सर्वेभ्यः. निमिषद्वयं स्वीकरोमि किञ्चित् अपील् कर्तुं. तत्रैव तत्र डोनेशन् मध्ये किं क्लेशाः आसन् तत्सर्वं स्वीकुर्मः. व्योमा मध्ये वयं सर्वे स्मः. So how to continue this seva, how to continue this ananda experience, how to make it permanent in our life. That is the ultimate goal for us. So the first request is there are 4 ways to help yourself. One is by learning what is taught in the class. Please put in at least 30 minutes every day to revise what has been taught. Next is by teaching these further, as Vishalakshi ma'am told. Please spread this knowledge. Please teach it to some students. Please teach it to the people who are very, very interested in this. Next is by referring Vyoma's courses, products, etc. There are a lot of courses which you can do from basic Sanskrit to advanced. Please make use of it. This treasure of knowledge is very, very useful. Next is opportunity to contribute to build this online Vidya Pathashala, this temple of learning. We all know, just now Devi ma'am also told about this. So I request all of you to please help us spread this. So this is the Seva metrics. There are 18 self-learning multimedia products, 215 plus courses, 16 mobile apps, 3,900 plus video recordings, and 40,100 as of May 2021. As of August, this is more. And how can we become a part of this amazing movement? Ekameva aksharam yastu guru shishyam prabodhayete prithivya nasti tadravyam yadva sonruni bhavet. So how to pay Guru Dakshina to our gurus and this organization who have helped us facilitate this. This one is very, very invaluable for us. Sponsor a course or contribute towards the expenses of our courses and related activities. You can also contribute to our corpus fund. Any amount is accepted and may continue to benefit our generations and many other generations which come from. The donation details are as follows. So you get the tax benefit of the ATG. Indians, you can use this link to. You also have this link in the website, so please use it. That is the place where you can do it. Click on the donate in our website. As soon as you get into our website, this is the place. All of these are accepted in EFT, RTGS, IMPS, all online transfers. You may also post courier, or you may also give a check to us. These are the details of them. The second way of donation for the US customers or the overseas customers, Sevarthis, to get 501 seat, the benefit of this tax. You can also click the donate button here and log on to vyomausa.org. I scan this QR code and donate. The next is any other foreign currencies if you want to donate it through the foreign Indian bank account. You can do a wire transfer to Vyoma Linguistic Labs Foundation. The FCRA code, the IFSC code are here. All of these details will be there in the website. Dhanyavada. Please feel free to contact us in all of these platforms. We are reachable on call, we are on Skype and all the other social media platforms. And ultimately learn and be happy. Be really happy. अभी स्थगयामि. इदानीं धन्यवादं निरूपये. कृतज्ञघ्नाय देवाय ज्योतिषां पतये नमः. वाल्मीकि महर्षयः वदन्ति यः कृतज्ञः भवति सः सूर्येण रक्षितः भवति. परं यः कृतघ्नः भवति तां सूर्यभगवान् हन्ति. अतः कृतज्ञता द्योतनम् अस्माकं मुख्य कर्तव्यम् अस्ति. So we cannot thank much for the amount of effort our main teacher Shobha Vasuki ma'am has given us. The time, the effort, the interest, the patience, the perseverance. No matter how much of difficulty it was there, ma'am was there for all the classes on time before us when we could support. Made sure that the classes happened properly. Made sure that all the students were properly taught and the whole syllabus was completed. It is a very, very huge contribution to all of us. This is one treasure which cannot be lost at any point of time. So, धन्यवादः ma'am. सांजलिबद्धाः नमो वाकं ब्रूमः. अत्र आगतेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वाभ्यश्च अपि धन्यवादान् ब्रूमः. Mainly Vishalakshi ma'am. Thank you so much for being a part of this. It was really good for us to hear from you. Vishalakshi ma'am has also done Malavikagnimitram in Tamil, and Shobha ma'am has also told that she has listened to this.
अहं साक्षात् अद्य बहुदिनेभ्यः भगिनीं द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि स्म. इदानीम् अस्मिन् बहु धन्यवादः. श्रोतुं महदानन्दः. अतः
धन्यास्मि.
अतीव अत्यन्त प्रेरणादायकम् आसीत् भवत्याः वचनानि. अनभ्यासे विषं विद्या इति सम्यक् उक्तवती.
धन्यवादाः. Majorly धन्यवादाः to all the people who have attended us for such a long time with
न श्रूयते महोदय.
इदानीं all of you have attended this course for a long time, and I am sure it would have benefited for all of you. Thank you so much for all of you attending this course with so much of patience, with so much of interest. We request you to have the same amount of interest for the coming courses too, from Shobha ma'am, other courses from Vyoma. We also thank the number of peoples, the number of hands which helped us in making this happen, our linguists, our technologists, the whole core team which is there in Vyoma team, all of them, of course, with the sheer guidance of Vishwam sir and Venkat sir, we were able to do this properly. Thank you so much for everybody for being there here.
राम लक्ष्मण, निमेषद्वयं वक्तुं शक्यते वा?
अवश्यम्.
केवलं वाक्यद्वयं वर्तते. प्रथमतया शिक्षिकायै शोभा भगिन्यै तु अनन्तानन्त नमस्काराः. किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते विशालाक्षी भगिनी एकः विषयः वक्तव्यः एव अत्र। तत्र अस्माभिः पठितं काव्यस्यात्मा रसः इत्यादि सर्वं रसगृह्येवायं लब्ध्वा आनन्दी भवति इत्यादिकं सर्वम् अस्माभिः पठितं। परं महोदयायाः कक्ष्यायां सर्वैः प्रत्यक्षरूपेण अनुभूतम्। I will just tell a दृष्टान्तं। तत्र विवाह दिने when that last before the concluding class, all of them wore new clothes and people even were like messaging each other, what should I do for wedding, what should I do. They, if given a choice, they would have got seervarsaigal and all. Actually, that was the level of pratyakshikaranam which happened in an online class like this. Even in a pratyaksha patha, we sometimes that experience doesn't come. And if somebody can generate it etadrisharitya yadi asmabhihi tatra utpadayitum shakyate chet tatra antarjala madhyamena kakshayam evam kartum shakyate chet, then we should know the kind of rasanubhuti the shikshika herself enjoyed and how that got transferred also to the students. So this is like somewhat we keep talking about it and we keep being marveled about such an experience in an online class. So I just wanted to share it with you and this thing. And like you said, always, even whatever mistake happens, something is not there, somebody is not responding. For everything, only one response Bhagini will give, one smile she will give. Just like no, even when we go on mute and something, there's a problem, we are not able to, she will only smile, that's all. That is the kind of titiksha, how she has developed, and that combination is very rare. And her Matra Vatsalyam, of course, on Vyoma, on all of us, is unparalleled. So, again, Paunaf Punyena Kevalam, Dhanyavadurupa Namaskaran Vyaharami, Shobha Bhagini, Bhavate Punaha Punaha Namaskaran Vyaharami, Shigrameva Yatha Sarvaihi Prarthitam Agrima विशेष नाटकं नाम न सूचयामि अहं विशेष नाटकं कृपया कुर्वन्तु कारयन्तु सर्वं भवतु इति भगवन्तं प्रार्थये भवतीमपि प्रार्थये एवमस्ति अन्यः एकः एव विषयः अस्ति अस्माकं विशालाक्षी भगिनीम् अधिकृत्य तत्र यथा तया उक्तं काव्याध्ययनं विना शास्त्राध्ययनो निरर्थकः शास्त्राध्ययनं विना काव्याध्ययनो निरर्थकः with example she told always there is a desire in Samskritagnyas यः कोऽपि शास्त्रं पठित्वा काव्यं पाठयति वा इति सर्वदा आशयः भविष्यत्येव. That is deep shastras. After somebody reads a deep shastras, they don't come back to kavya. It's very rare because that in that shastrananda they are always there. Again to come back to this and explain it to the students or they themselves enjoy and continue that cycle.
न श्रूयते महोदय.
Find such people and confident Itihasadhyanam, Kavyadhyanam, making Bhagavatam so easy to everybody with the Sridhariyam and also with the same ease taking all the other Kavyas also. I think it is a boon for any Samskritagnya, Samskrita Chhatra that we have teachers like Vishalakshi Bhagini. And we had the great fortune of meeting her in San Jose when we were there. It was a very brief meeting. We couldn't spend much time. Hopefully, Bhagavan gives us another opportunity to meet somewhere.
पुनः काचित् समस्या.
राम राम अन्ना किमपि दोषः स्यात् क्षन्तव्यः अद्यतन कार्यक्रमः अपि किञ्चित् विलम्बेन.
So we will try to share. Lakshman समापयितुं शक्यते.
धन्यवादाः सर्वेभ्यः. विलम्बः सञ्जातः. वयं स्थगयामः.
शान्तिमन्.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे
सर्वे
सन्तु
भवन्तु
निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। राम राम राम। धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः।